my dear friends. Good evening to all of you. Today I have been gotten a wonderful opportunity to present my points of view on the topic of bartender, or you can say bartending. So I'll be present, or I'll be letting you know about all the things that what is bartender, what is the full form of bar, where we can see this kind of place, people, both, and if there are drinking levels. So how many types of drinking level there are. So basically this video it will be all about it will be all about drinking. So please don't mind. And one more thing that I would like to share with you before start the performance, that is this opportunity, this chance, this platform, and this environment has been given by Viru sir. So I am thankful to the Viru sir. Thank you, Viru sir, to give me this kind of opportunity. So let's begin now. I would like to begin it. So first I would like to tell you about full form of bar. So the bar means beverage alcohol research. The beverage, as you all know, that those only things that we can drink easily, whether those are alcohol or non-alcohol, it doesn't matter. The thing is matter that thing should be alcoholic. Okay, and alcohol research, it means that suggests ever so many kind of alcohol, like 100 pepper, royal pepper, kingfisher, vodka, tequila, these kind of things. So I'm taking this kind of names, so don't need to be mind. Okay, so just with the help of these kind of alcohol things, I'll be mixing it, and after mixing it, what the thing will come out, or what it will be giving the result, that is called alcohol research, and that would be very awesome, tasty, and looking gorgeous also. Okay, just because of that, the person and the person who is standing in front of you, that person will become very happy. So as you all know, as you have heard about from me that what is the full form of bar, beverage, alcohol research. Now I'll be telling you about tender. Tender we can call easily the person who tend the party, or who treat the party at bar. Bar is a kind of place we can see like marriage, banquets, marriage halls, banquets hall, and farmhouses, party clubs, restaurants, these kind of things we can say the bar and bartender also. So as you have heard about bar and bartender, so let's talk about drinking level. If there are drinking levels, so there must be types of drinking. So I would like to tell you about all types of drinking, that is yellow, red, green. Okay, so I think that you have suggestion in your mind that yellow is normal, green is too much hard, and strong, red is too much strong. So I would like to explain it more for make you clear all the points. Yellow means suggest I'm a bartender, I'm standing at bar, I have too much alcohol bottles, like 100 pipers, royal pipers, tequila, vodka, kingfisher, these kind of things. Okay, so if there is a person, I'm treating the party, or I'm playing the party, if we are at bar, so we can say that we are playing the party, because we don't have to say that sir we are doing job, because it's a kind of job, but it will be formal at that place that we are playing the party. It will be more fluent or more flowing way. Okay, so by my opinion, I think as much as I got knowledge from the Google, or from the, by my opinion, by my experience, as much as I have collected. So if the person is standing in front of me, so I'll not be calling that person that he is a person. I'll be calling that person sir or madam. If the person is a male, so I'll be calling him sir. If the person will be female, so I'll be calling her ma'am. Whether the person or the guy is 8 to 9 years old, or 4 to 3 years old, or 60 to 65 years old, it doesn't matter. The thing is matter that male, female, and we have to call the ma'am or answer only. Okay, we can call guest also. So such as there is one person, and he just asked me that bro, just give me one drink. Okay, so he has not demanded anything, he just asked that please give me drink. So I have to manage in my mind that I have to give the normal drink, not any kind of hard, too much hard, or not any kind of make any kind of other things. He just want to normal drink, and the person will be the situation will be changed. So at that time, if the person is asking that I want few much hard, not too much hard, but few much hard drink, so I will be giving under the green level, and for normal people I'll be giving under the yellow level. And if there is a situation has changed also, this time also the person is, if there is a ma'am, and ma'am is asking to me that I want too much hard drink. Okay, so I will be showing that ma'am that I'm making at red level, but just for showing that I'm making red level, I'll be giving over the red level, because she wants a hard drink, so I have to give her too much hard. Okay, let's talk about fourth point, that is misbehaving with a manner only. If the suggest I am a bartender and I did not, the person is asking to me that I want royal pepper, and I don't have royal pepper kind of, I don't have any kind of royal pepper drink, but I have 100 pepper. So yeah, it can be that this is illegal, but we have to just do at the moment, because I don't have royal pepper, I have 100 peppers. I'll be giving that person or that man only 100 pepper only because I don't have. But I'll be complaining to my captain that why you did not purchase, or why you did not kept here, make anyone kept here to bring this kind of drinks, because guest is asking to me that this kind of things I have to give her or him. Okay, so I'll not be letting him know that sir, this is sir or ma'am, this drink is not available, you can have this drink only. I'll be telling a lie at that time, because I have to tell a lie, and I'll be telling a lie at that time, because if I'll be tell the truth at that time, so it may be that it will converted in critical situation, and if there is a critical situation, it may take my one day salary, or it can take my job also, because if the person is asking to me and I don't have something, so it may be there's a chance, 70 or 30% chance to that the person will be feeling like angry. Okay, and we have to suggest or we have to imagine in our mind from the, if the person is very like in moody way, in angry way. Okay, he has just taken too much drink and he is in alcoholic mind. So at that time we just have to look at the body, like what kind of body language the person is reacting. Okay, like he just doing how the person is doing his hand here and there, how his eyes are reacting at that time, how his the way of speaking, what kind of expression he is giving to us. Okay, after knowing these kind of things, we have to give the drink. Whether the person is asking another drink, we have to give the drink, because if we will be giving more drink to that person, so it can create problem for me also, because captain will be asking to me that why you have give the drink to that person too much, because there is a chance to fall down also. If he will be drinking too much, so there is a chance to fall down also. And if there is a critical situation, very hard situation on the spot, suggest guest is asking to me, I don't have something. Okay, I don't have words to give the reply to that person. So at that time guest can or person can angry on me. Okay, so if he will be using or she will be using abusing language or any bad language to me, so I don't have to reply her, I have to reply her, I have to misbehave. If I want to misbehave, so I have to misbehave, but in a manner way, not in an angry way. We don't have to become like that only. If the person is shouting us, so we don't have to be loud, or we don't have to be shout, because we want to save our salary. We have to do work. We are here for doing work, not for giving the reply of the person who is shouting us. The person who is shouting us, that has too much money, but we are know that which type of condition or what type of condition we are facing. So these were all the things about bartenders. I hope you have understood whatever I have told you. So that these were all the things about bartender. If you like it, so thank you so much very much.